Hey guys, this week on the Jeep Barn, we're going to go over the trials and tribulations of fiberglass work. I had to redo this one, guys. I had to make a video from the other day. I was like, yes, this is going to be great. It never really set up. It was really floppy around. And I wanted to cut out on the inside anyway so we can make it flow a little better. So we had to start over, but this is where we are right now, just letting it cure. Figured I'd fill you guys in. All right, everybody. As you can see, I'm set up outside now. What I did the other day kind of got completely messed up. So it's a little windy today, but I'm going to be redoing and doing it on the backside so everything's flush. Basically, it got twisted sideways and all other ways. So I'm going to go ahead and trim some down on the back so I can get a good flat surface. And then we're going to go from there. I'm just going to restart, and then I'll reglass the other side once this side's firm. So just kind of let you guys know where we're sitting. I'm going to do, it's going to get boring. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some time lapse on this stuff and see what we can do. Like I told you guys, we're definitely a DIY, and we don't have the big money, so we're just gonna do the best way I can to hold this down. Wooden blocks. That should get us about flush enough. It's kind of what we're looking for on this. Is good enough. Go ahead and unbox this larger box of mat that I have. Definitely going to need to trim that down some. This is a lot stiffer fiberglass mat. I think this may work better for us. This is definitely going to be more structure in this mat than in the other. So we can do to cut it. There we go. In all honesty, guys, that mat that I was using was in our house when we bought it. So I'm not sure how old it was, but it definitely was not as structurally sound as this stuff. This stuff is hard as a rock. Well, hard as fiberglass mat can get. Get this in here. We'll get this laid up. Some more. It's fun working with this stuff in the wind. That doesn't help you guys being able to hear either. So what I did, just kind of laid the fiberglass mat in there, cut out around where that hinge is, or that bolt of the hinge. We can do the same thing over here on this side because there's one right in there. And I'll just carry it on out. Hey guys, as you can see behind me, we're a little further along than we were in the video. So I'm gonna do the next video, getting to this point where it's pretty structurally sound. Now it's just gonna be shaping it and finishing it out. So just short, sweet, and to the point. Let's do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe. Just pass this thing around. Let's grow this channel if you guys are interested in any of this. We're gonna be doing the CJ, we got the JK, we got a lot of things going on in this channel, guys. And once we get everything good to go, we're going to be doing some off-roading as well. Thanks a lot. Come back and see us.